had a bit hands-on experience on the ALLDOCUBE MA tablet. It's a 4G LTE-enabled tablet. You can find the dual SIM slot on the top of the tablet in the back. The size of the tablet is 8 inch and it's very lightweight. And the calling feature has been tested as well by inserting a SIM card. It turns out to be workable, so there's nothing to complain there. The operating system is Android Oreo and it has 3GB of RAM, 62GB of room, expandable up to 100GB, via microSD. Of course, it supports multiple languages. Let's do some web browsing and see how it goes. Well, it responds really well. Let's play some YouTube videos. I love watching Dave's videos. He's doing a remarkable work on YouTube. The background of his videos is always so neat and the videos are so well made. Well, as far as we can see here, there's no trouble playing YouTube videos as well. Split screen feature is very useful when you need to multitask. Work and play is well balanced. MA scores over 100,000 points on Antutu test, which is an average number among the Helio X27 models. It's equipped with X27 chipset. The screen resolution is 1920 by 1200, with display PPI resulting in 320. The battery capacity is 5,500 mAh, which is 20% more power than other 8-inch tablets on the market. Not a really good game player myself, but the League of Legends is very playable to me. Victory! Oh hey, I just won! That's ridiculous!